Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to disable updates emails in X. If you're tired of receiving emails about the performance of your posts and want to manage your inbox more efficiently, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once launched, you'll find yourself on the main screen. Step 2. Look for the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Settings and Support. This action will open a drawer with additional options. Step 4. From the drawer, tap on Setting and Privacy. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage various settings. Step 5. On the new screen, tap on Notifications and then tap on Preferences. This is where you can customize your notification preferences. Step 6. Locate and tap on Email Notifications. By selecting this option, you can manage the email notifications sent by X. Step 7. Now, find the specific email option titled Updates about the performance of your posts. Tap on it and then select Off to disable the updates emails related to the performance of your posts. Congratulations, you have successfully disabled updates emails in X, allowing you to have better control over your inbox and focus on what matters most. Thank you for watching, and may you enjoy a clutter-free and personalized experience with X.